Cardamom essential oil can provide fair skin by removing blemishes, a key benefit of its use, as it helps to improve the complexion and reduce the appearance of imperfections. Cardamom's antiseptic and antibacterial properties prevent skin allergies, while its high vitamin C content provides antioxidant protection, aiding blood purification and regulating blood circulation. Cardamom essential oil is a natural remedy that improves skin texture, complexion, and brightness. It combats tannery and sun exposure issues by eliminating dead skin cells and promoting skin lightening and whitening. Cardamom oil, a natural essential oil rich in minerals and nutrients, is recommended for its ability to provide elasticity, rejuvenate, and soften the skin, making it a recommended choice for those seeking a natural skincare solution. Cardamom aids in detoxifying the body, flushing out harmful toxins that could harm the skin, resulting in clearer skin by detoxifying the body through the consumption of cardamom. Cardamom, a spice rich in vitamin C and phytonutrients, has antioxidant properties that enhance blood circulation, promoting better health and skin health. Its rejuvenating power unlocks radiant skin and helps overcome skin allergies. Cardamom essential oil is a potent moisturizer for dry, cracked skin due to its antioxidant properties that effectively remove dryness and provide hydration, making it an essential addition to any skincare routine. Cardamom, a spicy and sweet spice, is a popular ingredient in cosmetics, particularly in perfumes, soaps, body washes, and powders. Its fragrance adds an allure to Oriental-style perfumes and scented items, often blended with essential oils for an exquisite olfactory experience. Cardamom essential oil is commonly used in lip cosmetics to enhance taste and promote smoother lips. Applying a small amount before bedtime and rinsing off in the morning provides a soothing overnight treatment. Sun exposure often causes skin damage, including damage to skin cells and tanning issues. Cardamom oil is an effective solution to protect skin from harmful UV rays and further environmental harm. It shields the skin from harmful UV rays, protecting it from further damage and preventing further damage from the sun. Cardamom, a healing spice, is used in skincare products for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, stimulating the senses when added to fragrances, and in aromatherapy for its therapeutic benefits, including its use in perfumes. Honey and cardamom seed powder face mask can effectively prevent acne breakouts by reducing skin irritation and promoting anti-inflammatory and cleansing effects. Utilize cardamom's natural detoxifying properties to eliminate harmful toxins, promoting clearer, healthier skin. This simple practice can lead to a radiant complexion, eliminating toxins, and promoting a healthier lifestyle. Cardamom's strong aroma effectively combats unpleasant odors, making it an ideal choice for cosmetic formulations like toners. It discreetly masks unappealing smells while preserving cosmetic benefits, enhancing the sensory experience and elevating the beauty routine. Cardamom, rich in vitamin C, enhances skin tone and provides a healthy glow, enhancing blood flow and enhancing the overall appearance of the face. Cardamom, a natural ingredient with antibacterial and antimicrobial properties, effectively combats acne-causing bacteria by eliminating dead skin cells and treating acne and blemishes, making it a great solution for persistent acne issues.